Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Windows 11 guest account not working issue. First, we will enable the guest account using Command Prompt. Click on the search icon and type ECMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. This step is important because you need admin access. In the Command Prompt window, type netuserguest/active:"yes", then press Enter. This command turns on the guest account. After that, restart your computer to apply the change. If that method does not work, you can try another way using local users and groups. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the run box. Type lusrmgr.msc and press Enter. This will open a window where you can manage user accounts. On the left side, click on Users. Then find the guest account in the list. Right-click on it and select Properties. In the Properties window, look for the option that says Account is disabled. If it is checked, uncheck it. Then click Apply and OK. After completing these steps, restart your computer. The guest account should now be working normally. Thanks for watching.